Hi guys, it's Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for sticking around. If you are still subscribed to me, I have not put out a video in over a year and a half. So if you are still here with me, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. Go ahead and subscribe right now. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I want to talk about this hair. All about this hair. I am feeling myself. I think this hair looks really, really great, and I'm obsessed. I did it yesterday night, and today's day one of wearing it. Like, the brand is Lulutress by Sensational. This hair comes in many different curl patterns. All of them are 18 inches. They only offer 18 inches, including this one, because this one is not on here, I think. Yeah, 10 including the Bohemian curl that's in my hair. Now that I know how it feels, I'm super excited to try other curl patterns. I cut my hair down the middle, so I only use 3 packs of hair. I basically have this much left of the hair. I didn't lose a ton of hair, I would say, in the process of putting this in. And one of the best parts about this brand is it's $4.99 a pack. Like, I think that's really good. I have crocheted my hair before. I've used other brands and I think they go somewhere around like $6.99 a pack. So I really like this, and for the texture of this, the curl pattern, I'm just all around happy with this. I can't complain. Like I said, this was 18 inches. I cut mine in half. This is what I was left with when I cut it in half. So these two together would be 18 inches. I simply cut it and just crocheted it like this. I was going to keep the 18 inches originally, but then it's hot. I'm in New York City. I'm not trying to have all that hair on me, so I will save that for another time. I definitely will revisit this texture because I would love to have it long. I think I would probably need about 5, maybe 6 packs of hair though. So yeah, because I used 3 and this is what I got. I think I did a pretty good job. Normally when I do my crochets, I feel like I tend to pack the hair in the back too much, which I tried to make sure I didn't do that. And I think I did a really good job. I did the invisible part method. I don't know how well I did it, but for me, it's fine. It looks good. There's a 1,000,001 crochet, how to crochet hair videos, so definitely go and check that out if you are not familiar with how to crochet hair. When it comes to crochet, putting in crocheted hair, I don't know if I'm the only one, but I don't like when you're able to pull your hair back and you see like the lines from your braids. That really irks me. I don't like that. So every time I crochet my hair or I crochet my sister's hair, I like to try a different braid pattern to see if I can come up with something better. So this is the braid pattern that I used, and it's not the best. My braids aren't the best. My parts aren't the best. I did it super late at night, but it works. And so yeah, these 2 anchor braids here are just meant to not show those parts of my cornrows, I guess, which I like because when I put my hair back now, I can gel down this baby hair, which I really am not gonna do because it's hot, I sweat, and yeah. But even if I like do this, it just doesn't look like, I don't know if it's me. Comment down below and let me know if I'm bugging, or do you not like to see those parts from the crochet braids where you can see it in here. Oh, in here, because I attempted, at first I wasn't sure which side I wanted a part, if I wanted a middle part. At one point I thought I was gonna try and flip this and do a middle part, which maybe I can, but I didn't do the invisible method here. So I would definitely have to cut this because it looks lopsided now if I wanted to flip it. But that is a possibility. I am not gonna wear, I don't really care for a middle part anyway. So I'm just gonna wear it like this. But I love, love, love the hair, and just be mindful about actually crocheting it in. You want to make it as even as possible. after you put it through and knot it, before you actually seal that knot or double knot it, however many times you will knot it, you just want to make sure it's even. I feel like I cut layers into it, or I cut a shape, and not necessarily layers, but I cut it into a shape. But there were some pieces that were like way down here and the other end was higher up. So pay attention to that. If you are going to cut this hair, you want to make sure it's as even as possible. So when you do go in to trim it or shape it, or you may not have to do that at all. You may not have to cut it or shape it at all if it's even, but mine was pretty uneven, so I definitely had to go in and cut some. When I installed the back, I didn't separate it. I installed this whole thing, which I don't recommend. I recommend to split it in half, which looks like this. And you have this. If it gets frizzy, like, don't worry about it. I will show you a trick for that. You can twist it around to get the definition back. I use mousse at the end, and that will take care of all of the frizzy hair. If you have some curls that are a little frizzy, that'll kind of bring it together. I saw that done at a braiding salon, and she was like, yeah, just put mousse on the hair. Not all hair. I don't think it works for all like synthetic hair, but I don't know. I did it and it worked. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below and let me know, how does the hair look? Would you give it a try? Is there a brand of crochet hair that I need to try? I look forward to your comments. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload new content, like the review on this hair in a few weeks. Enjoy. Bye.